My favorite website is YouTube. YouTube is a global platform for sharing and watching videos, serving entertainment, education, and creative content. Its vibrant interface features a responsive layout with a clean homepage, personalized recommendation, and easy navigation through channel, playlists, and trending sessions. The website supports multiple languages, offer high quality video graphics, caption, and interact elements like comment and like YouTube gather billions of daily page views with massive global traffic. I use it to watch coding tutorials, tech reviews, and vlogs, often exploring new programming concepts and remixing with music video. I love YouTube because it's a serious choice of knowledge and entertainment, offering endless learning opportunity for IT skill and beyond, with dynamic community, engaging content that keep me hooked.